The Sony a7III camera bundle is a comprehensive package that includes a full-frame mirrorless camera with a f/28-70mm, f3.5-5.6 OSS Lens Kit, and a multitude of accessories. The camera features an advanced 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated 35mm full-frame image sensor, offering a high dynamic range and 14-bit uncompressed RAW, with sensitivity ranging from ISO 50 to 204,800. It enables high-speed continuous shooting of up to 10 frames per second with autofocus and auto-exposure tracking and a remarkable 693 phase detection and 425 contrast detection autofocus points covering 93% of the image. The Sony a7 III also offers high-resolution 4K HDR movie shooting with full pixel readout without pixel binning or crop. The camera has the longest rated battery life of any mirrorless camera, capable of capturing up to 710 images on a full charge. The bundle includes two 64GB memory cards, a Deco Gear bag, a telephoto and wide-angle lens set, and various other accessories, making it a complete kit for photographers and videographers of all levels.